Now let's see how to make these tassels. I want the tassels of this size. So I'm using this cardboard. I've taken around 8 pieces of yarn, which is around 3 feet in length. Wind it like this and using double strings, tie a knot on one end and on the other end cut it off. Now remove the excess yarn and we'll use this piece to hold it together around 1 centimeter below the tip. Wind the yarn and add double knot. Make sure to tie it tightly and snip off the excess and trim the bottom and you're done.